Hi everyone, welcome to my art channel. My name is Soraya. So I often get asked how long I've been painting and do I ever get bored? And the simple answer is no, never do I ever get bored, because if I did, I'd probably quit. But I never get bored because when I start off with a fluid pour, I let it dry and then I enhance it. It changes, it transforms, and the changes are so exciting. It's just a fabulous journey for me to push myself and see where it goes each single time, every single time that I do this. So this is a perfect example that's coming up. It's a tutorial and I show you exactly what I do. So thanks for watching. So I'm starting off with a fairly small canvas, for me that is, and I pour down the colors. It's pretty basic, a deep navy blue, a white, a light blue, and even a bit of silver. And I took out my palette knife just to give it a bit of a head start, but look at those gorgeous cells that it's started forming. And then I just tilt it. I wanted to have it pretty simple, and I love the way that turned out. And then I started working on the bottom section of it. I normally don't do this. I normally do it all at once, but I wanted to try it a little bit differently, see how it would work out. Now I love this basic color combination because it is pretty simple, and once you start to enhance it, or I love to enhance it, it's really easy to add color and really make it come to life. I had a pretty good idea of how I wanted it to look, and I scraped it because it just wasn't working out the way I had intended. I do scoop up that paint and reuse it, so not to worry. I love the cells and the lacing that I got in this piece. It is beautiful. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. So here it is. Look at all the cells and this lacing. Gorgeous. I'm gonna let it dry. I'll show you what I do next. Just 1 second. So I'm gonna bring down some of this blue, the light blue, down to here, and I'm using Artist Loft light blue. And I'm also gonna use it with some Liquitex matte medium, just to give it a little bit more transparency. Add some Prism Violet in the dark areas to get them a little bit more interesting. So when I'm adding these colors, I'm making sure that I'm kind of going all over the canvas in areas that make sense to me to have a good balance throughout the painting. Add some raw sienna. Adding this raw sienna made all the difference to this painting. I just love the way it's looking. You can see here already what a big difference it has made just adding 3 colors. Just going to use some Amsterdam titanium white. So I'm working on the all-important focal point and I'm bringing together some of the whites so that they don't seem disconnected. always make sure to have some paper towel and fresh water around, just in case I've done something to the painting, added some color or a line somewhere that I don't like. I can easily wipe it off right away. At this point, I'm adding a lot of detail with color to give it interest and bring the focus to that focal point. I'm going to add the tiniest amount of Pyrrole red. This, like the raw sienna, was an important addition. You don't see much of it, but it adds that extra bit of oomph. Now, the more I worked on this area, the more I realized it had to change. It wasn't kind of facing in the right direction, and I wanted the attention to go to that focal point. And those lines were facing opposite to it, and I just didn't like the way it was looking. So it's paint, I could change it, so that's what I'm doing here. So initially I liked this area, but it was a little bit too wide, and now I'm working on it to make that swath of white really more concentrated and much more interesting. And so this is why I never get bored with my pours, because even though it started off very monochromatic, you see what can happen with just by a bit of color. It changes it dramatically. Love the different touches of color in here. And of course, I love this lacing. I didn't want to touch that. So let me know in the comments section what you think about this painting, how it makes you feel. And click on the link you see now to see more of my enhanced pours.